Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is the first video that we record this year 2023. I'm super excited for the new year. Happy New Year for those of you who haven't seen me on Instagram yet. One of the problems that the previous version of this product had, it was that a lot of people were complaining that it was getting really hot. So I'm gonna see if this product gets a little less hot and if it styles my hair better. I don't have anything on my hair right now. I love to use Olaplex for all my hair care. So I'm gonna be applying number 6, number 9, and I think number 7, I lost it, so I have to buy another one. But for today, we're gonna do without number 7. Everything that I'm using in this video, including this towel for my head, I'm gonna leave it down there in the description. This product retail for $70 right now. I believe it's $45 on Amazon down there. I'm gonna leave you the link of this specific one. The first thing that I noticed for this product is that the brush itself is smaller than the previous one. So I believe this one will be better for like short hair like mine, or for those of you who like more wavy hair, like you can wave your hair with this product too. I'm a huge fan of my air wrap Dyson, so let's see if I like this one better, but definitely the price is completely out of the world. $500 to $70, of course, we're talking about two different things. I haven't done anything to my hair, so let's get it out of this thing and start detangle it and applying all the products. Okay, I decided to change my blouse because it is a little chilling here, especially because my hair is still wet. So right now, what am I gonna do is just remove any tangles that I still have in my hair, which it sounds like I don't have many. This brush right here is really good to detangle your hair, so that's what I'm using right now. I'm gonna try to find it on Amazon and leave you the link down below. The cord is really short, like, I don't like this. It has multiple settings. It has cold, low, medium, and high. One thing, I don't see any difference between medium and high. So we're gonna go for medium. Not bad at all. It looks pretty good though. It's not bad. Let's do the other side. Okay, first thoughts. Okay, this is very little hair, so I need to do more, but it feels soft, it feels nice, and it was really fast, and you can see that it's giving me this volume in here, which is gonna help a lot because I don't have a lot of hair, like I don't, so it's gonna help to make it look more puffy. That's why I changed my style of hair to like let it be curly and dark natural color, because any other color is gonna make me look less hair, and any other style of hair, if I don't use a any product that it doesn't create volume, is gonna make me look flat. So as you see, this one is creating volume. I would like to see how my Dyson will do my hair now, but so far I'm happy. So let's see how the rest of the hair comes along, because this part of my hair is actually less curly than the rest. So this is how it's been looking so far. I'm like a quarter of my hair right now, and it's looking pretty good though. I like it. The hair looks very, very shiny, very, very cute. So let's continue. This is telling me that I need to cut my ends a little open. But I mean, so far so good. I'm only missing the crown on my head. As you see, I already finished almost everything, but I'm missing this part. And this part I'm gonna be using some rolls to keep the hair up, because yeah, I have texture, I have curly hair, but it still will last longer. I'm doing all of this without a mirror, so my divisions are kind of weird because I'm not using a mirror, but we're rocking, baby. So let's add this one, the Moroccan oil treatment. I think this is a sample, a small sample. Yeah, this is a small sample. My number 7, all applied is, I don't know where. So let's add a little bit of this oil. The volume. It's crazy how this is great for volume and I'm like fighting the volume. Okay, I think I found a spot for everything right now. I mean, like, if you have short hair, the new one is actually really good because it's rounder, so it will be easier to get in the roots and everything. If you have curly hair, as you see, it gave me a decent blow dry. It's not like the best ever, but I mean, it's good enough. This is not like the cheapest product out there, but it's not the expensive. I mean, I have the Dyson one, and this is definitely a sticky bait price. $500 plus, I think. When I bought it was $4.99, I think, or $4.90, something like that. I don't remember, but it's been a few years, maybe like 4 or 5 years since I have my Dyson. I haven't bought anything for it. It's like no attachments, no anything, because I wasn't doing my hair. So I do have the old version of this one. If you have the old one and you have longer hair than me, I don't think you need it at all. I don't find the much difference between them. I feel like the product is still get really hot. It's not like it is way less hot than before. Maybe a tiny bit, but not a lot. So I don't think it's worth to buy another one just because a lot of people are claiming that it's not as hot. I think it is pretty hot still. If you don't have it and you want to buy something that is fast to use, cheap, and it's not as expensive as the Dyson one, I definitely recommend this one. But if you already had the first version, don't even bother. It's almost the same. Remember that everything that I use in this video is going to be down there in the description. Also, let me know down there in the comments section. Let me know if you want to see more of hair products, recommendations, reviews in here in this channel. I haven't quite figured out what kind of actual videos you really want to see from me. I think you really like the hair review products, so I think that could be a way for us to be here a family. So don't forget to let me know down there in the comments. Also subscribe to the channel, give a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!